Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gecko. It's stuck in my earring. Okay guys, I'm just playing. Anyways, today you're gonna see a video released before this, and I might as well start with I can't do this anymore. What people being racist. Kata terus we, as in for. I didn't say that is the word. Keen. Oh. Anyways, tell me why. Gotta listen to this. Why do I say, if you're from Africa, why aren't you black? Why are you white? Not all of us are talking complexion, honey. Get used to it. We can also be light. Darling, I would roast you. And I would judge you based on your race. Like, girl, stop being a racist. I can't take it with people being racist. If you're racist, you might as well get a knuckle sandwich. Don't, please. Can colors come in the comment section? For the creator of the sound. Bro, I will give you a Goligrom if you even know what that is. Dirty looks, in other words. So don't try me. Please, do not try to do that, okay? I will come for you. Don't. Guys, I was ever in my friend group. Do not be racist. At least someone is racist to you. Ek is 'n colored. Ons is coloreds. Coloreds wat sien die. Praat ek die wêreld. Ek is 'n colored. Ek gaan vir jou uitvloek wanneer jy racist wees. Met my. Nie weg. Ek klap jou. Ek klap die vrag. From South Africa to Hong Kong to China and back. Don't. Ek gaan vir jou betale my asseblief. Moenie nie my button push nie. Ek gaan vir jou klap. Anyways, moral of the story, don't be racist. Bye guys, love you. For the goal, I'm gonna bye, love you.